Hello, friends. Welcome to Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary, one of the most stunning natural attractions in Karnataka. Located just 18 kilometers from Mysuru, this serene heaven is a paradise for nature lovers and bird enthusiasts alike. The history of Ranganathittu dates back to the 12th century, but its significance as a bird sanctuary began in 1940, thanks to the efforts of Sir M. Visvesvaraya. Nestled in the tranquil waters of the Cauvery River, this group of small islets serves as a safe haven for thousands of birds. Ranganathittu is home to a wide variety of both resident and migratory birds. Species like herons, egrets, pelicans, and painted storks add to the sanctuary's charm. One of the highlights here is the boat ride, where you can get up close to the birds and experience the beauty of nature like never before. The best time to visit Ranganathittu is between November and May, when migratory birds flock here in large numbers. This is the perfect opportunity to witness their nesting and flying patterns up close. The Forest Department plays a significant role in conserving this sanctuary, ensuring that the habitat remains pristine for the birds. As visitors, it is our responsibility to maintain cleanliness and respect the sanctuary's rules. Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary is a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural beauty. Let's preserve and cherish this gem while enjoying all it has to offer. So why wait? Plan your visit to Ranganathittu and create memories that last a lifetime. For more updates on amazing places like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.